Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're going to show you how to convert PDF to EPUB step by step. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips. First, open your Google Chrome web browser. We'll be using this browser to navigate to the conversion website. Next, click on the search bar and type PDF to EPUB. Press enter to see the search results. From the search results, find and click on the free converter website that we typically use for these tutorials. This will take you to the site where you can start the conversion process. Once the website is open, click on the Choose Files button. This will allow you to select the PDF files from your computer that you want to convert. Browse through the device storage and find the file you want to upload. Select it, then click Open to upload it on the website. After uploading your files, you'll need to select the type of file you want to convert to. Click on the Select option and then choose eBook from the menu on the left. In the eBooks section, select EPUB as the desired format for your conversion. With your settings in place, click on the Convert button to start the conversion process. Wait a few moments. Once the conversion is complete, you'll see a green Done label. Click on the Download button to save the EPUB file to your computer. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.